So what is up everybody, good morning and good afternoon to everyone who's watching the video. It's me Vichy Kevin and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel, and this video is on Metamask and it's on how you guys can change your language in Metamask. So for those people who do not know Metamask or is new to Metamask, basically Metamask is a crypto wallet and it's basically like an app version which I'm using right now. You can also use it in desktop extension, but basically you can transfer your crypto into it and use it to transfer it on other places as well. That's basically how Trust Wallet functions, alright? But if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of Metamask to know more about it. But this video is on how you guys can change the language, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and let's jump right into the video. First step is you want to open Metamask and you want to log in into your account. After you do that, you want to click on this three line. Once you click on the three line, you want to go on where it says setting over here. Once you go on setting, you want to go on where it says general. Once you're in general, you want to go on where it says current language. Right now it's on English. I can change it to whichever thing I want over here. Spanish. Let's say I want to change it to Spanish. I click on Spanish, wait for some time, and basically my MetaMask has changed into Spanish, as you guys can see all this word. Now I can just click on this three dot, go on setting over here, and then go on general over here, then go on where it says Spanish and transfer it to English. Basically wait for some time and it will be back to English. That's basically how you guys can change your language in Metamask. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. So yeah, bye bye until then.